Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off auto blocker in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using S26 Ultra and you want to turn on or off auto blocker, so let's see how can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now once you are in settings, just scroll down and you may see security and privacy. You just have to click on it. Now once you are here, you'll see the auto blocker here. You can easily enable and disable that whenever you click on this and then click on turn off and it will be turned off. Now if you want to turn back it on, just click on this and it will be enabled. You can also disable this one, it will turn on automatically your auto blocker after 30 minutes. So if you want to turn it off, so you can turn it off now. You can manually turn on or off your auto blocker in S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.